Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shreya, Medical Officer of Modern Homeopathy, Goa branch. Today I would like to talk about what is viral hepatitis. First of all, what is hepatitis? It means the inflammation of liver. And what is a viral hepatitis? The infection which is caused by the virus. What are viral hepatitis? There are hepatitis A, B, C, D and E. Today I would like to discuss with you in detail about these hepatitis. First of all, what are the common clinical conditions or what are the symptoms which is seen in hepatitis? There will be nausea and tendency of vomiting and abdomen pain, headache, muscle cramps, and in complicated state and all there will be a tendency of getting dark urine, pale stools and jaundice also. First I am talking about hepatitis A. The signs and symptoms I have already discussed you first. That is common in every hepatitis. Hepatitis A virus is causing hepatitis A disease. The transmission or the incubation period is 2 to 4 weeks. And the transmission route is through fecal-oral route. The hepatitis A is commonly seen in children. It is because there will be lack of hygiene and lack of sanitization. Also seen in people who are staying overcrowded or people who are having uncooked food and all. How we can identify hepatitis A? It is through an anti-HAV test or any other liver function test also can use. How we can management hepatitis A? Through avoid overcrowding and take proper sanitization and hygiene and also take immunization. Vaccines are available for hepatitis A. Take at the proper time. The next one is hepatitis B. Hepatitis B virus is causing this hepatitis B disease. The incubation period is 4 to 20 weeks. Then the transmission route is through body fluids that are blood or any other body fluids or through sexual route. What are the sources of getting hepatitis B infection? If the pregnant mother is having hepatitis B infection, then there is a chance of getting to the child. And also commonly seen in drug addicts. Why? Because they may use the common needle for everyone. If the person having hepatitis B, then the one who is doing injections or any drug, then the other person will also get the hepatitis B by using the same needle or any unscreened blood products or also through if you are doing tattoos and all, the same thing, the same needle if you are using, then there is a chance to get hepatitis B infection. How we can identify hepatitis B infection? Through HBsAg. And the one most important thing is no drug is constantly able to eradicate hepatitis B infection. That is one of the important thing. The next one is hepatitis C. Hepatitis C virus is causing hepatitis C disease and the incubation period is 2 to 26 weeks. This hepatitis C is also through the body fluids, same as hepatitis B infection, through blood or body fluids or through sexual route. The sources is similar to hepatitis B infection. How we can identify hepatitis C infection is through HCV test or any also through any liver function test also. And signs and symptoms for every hepatitis I told you, it will be same. The next one is hepatitis D. This is also through body fluids and the incubation period is 6 to 9 weeks. This hepatitis D infection is caused by hepatitis D virus, and the source everything is same, and this we can identify through HDV test and liver function tests also. The next one is hepatitis E. Hepatitis E incubation period is 3 to 8 weeks, and the route is through fecal-oral route, same as like hepatitis A, and the sources and symptoms is similar to hepatitis A infection, and the test or the investigation we have to use is HEV and liver function test also. Now I think you all got a rough idea about what is hepatitis and what are the common viral hepatitis. I will tell you. Hepatitis A, B, C, D and E. Hepatitis A and E, the transmission route is similar. That is through fecal-oral route. And the sources of getting infection is also similar. That is through overcrowding, uncooked food, and also improper hygiene and improper sanitization. And hepatitis B, C and D, that is through body fluids, that is through sexual or through blood or any other body fluids. Among these, hepatitis B and C, the chronicity is very severe, especially in hepatitis B. Why? Because there is no constant medicines to eradicate hepatitis B. What we do in modern homeopathy? We are reducing the viral overload through our medicines, and there will not be any side effect. The patient's immunity will get increased, and there is a good result from our homeopathic medicines. Thank you. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you everyone.